creatives. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mary, and I hope you all are having a safe and marvelous day. We just got finished with Thanksgiving, and I haven't seen you all since Thanksgiving, so I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I surely did. It was so nice being with friends and family during the holidays. But now, this is the season, and I am ready to do a few crafts for you all today. Nothing hard, nothing extremely difficult. Just want to change a few things. As you guys remember, in the fall, I did these from towels that I got from General Dollar for $1. And I made 3 of them. Now, I ordered this. These came from, I think they came from Amazon. They are some Christmas prints, and I did share them in my shopping haul, and I'll try to leave a link for them description box below. But these are them. They are so pretty. I have a Christmas tree, and I have the choir, and I have Santa Claus. And these are, I want to say they were 12 by 16. So I'm going to take these frames and I want to put them in. So I just want to share with you guys what they're going to look like. Remember, I cut them out and put them here. I'm going to save them because I'm probably going to try and use them again. This was not the border. I just kind of made it a border. I cut out the paper and made a border. So let's see. Let's go with this one first. I'm finding my center, and to keep from cutting it, I'm just gonna roll it up on the bottom, crease it, and then I'll put the backing on. The sides is a little bit too wide. Again, I'm not gonna cut it. Once I fit my board in, I'll just fold it around the back side of the board. It's so beautiful. Now this one I'm doing the same way, but this one is Santa. And because I'm using the larger frame on this one, I think I'm going to have to leave the border. If I leave the border, it will make up for it not being quite long enough, but still just a little bit wide. I'll add my backing once again. And here's a look at Santa. I did have to keep the batting around it because the picture wasn't quite large enough. So I'm going to take all of the towel parts that I had. I'm going to fold them up and I'm going to put them away because I'll probably use them in the future for fall. For my next DIY, I have this wreath. Now this wreath I got from the Goodwill for $1. And I also picked up some gold balls. These, it was a pack of red ones and a pack of white ones. The 2-packs were $1, and these ones. This is the color that I'm using in the downstairs. So I have these little small ornaments, and I have this ribbon. This is some ribbon that I ordered for the tree, but I didn't like the way it fit. So I'm gonna use it on, I've used it on some of the boxes to wrap things, and now I'm going to use it on this wreath. Now, normally I would glue everything on this wreath, but because I'm doing it a seasonal color, I don't want to damage the wreath and leave glue. So I am going to use floral wire as well as the little hanging hooks that you get. I have the green ones and they are very pliable, so I'll use them to twist. I also have these white berries, and I'm going to use this on my ornament. I'm going to start out by attaching 2 or 3 of the ornaments together like this, and I'm taking the loose part or the leftover part of the wire, and I'm just wrapping it around one of the stems on the wreath. The white balls now, they have no hanger hooks, so it's open on the tip, and all I'm doing is just pushing it down onto the stem. The orange balls, again, I'm going to cut the little hanger that they have on there. It's just a piece of string. I'm going to cut that off. Again, I'm going to add 2 or 3 together with my floral wire, and then I'll take the additional part of the wire and tie it to the wreath. I also found some different size gold balls, and I added them to the wreath as well. I'm just trying to do a mixture to make it full. So this is what my wreath is looking like. I'm going to continue adding more of the balls until I get the desired look. So while I'm doing that, I want you all to take a moment and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hype the video. By hyping the video, it will reach more people with interests such as yourself. Also, it will help the channel to grow. I'll repeat this process until I get my wreath as full as I like. I also separate my berries to smaller pieces, and I'll add them throughout the wreath. I had one more roll of this ribbon that I picked up from General Dollar, and it was part of their Halloween collection, and I picked it up on clearance. And I just wanted to make a bow. So this is how I make my bow. Really, really simple. I just fold the ribbon in halves, and I grab it in the middle, pinch it, and then I'll use wire to hold it together. And now I have 2 tails. So I'm squeezing the middle of the bow. Now you use your wire to pinch the middle and place the wire around the ribbon if I can find it. Then I want to take the long end. I'm going to cut off a piece about 3-4 inches long, and this I'll use to cover up the wire around the middle. I'll take the tape, which I thought I could tape it, but the tape wasn't strong enough, so I then later just pulled it to the back and tied it. I ducktailed both of the ends, and my bow will be complete. I then take my wire, I take a strand of it, I make it long enough to double it. This will make it long enough to go through the back of the ribbon and also have enough to make a hanger for the back of my wreath. So I twist it together just like this. Once I have it all twisted, I'm ready to thread it through the back of the bow. I twist to hold it in place. Now I can take the long piece of wire, go around the wreath, hold it in place, looping it to the front, going around the bow, and twist to make a hanger for the wreath, securing the bow in place. And this is what my wreath looked like. I'm going to add a few more ornaments right over here in the corner and we'll be ready for the reveal. I think the wall art turned out absolutely beautiful. It brings just the right hint of burgundy or reds to the upstairs. I also changed out the fall foliage here in the plant stand and brought in that beautiful rich burgundy color. The metal flower, of course, will stay there, but what I love, I did change out the orange candles to these battery operated candles. And what's so nice about them is they light up on the remote. So I can turn them on, dim them, brighten them, flicker them as I please with the remote. I absolutely love it, and it brings such a warm touch to the hallway as you come up the stairs. As I walk down the stairs, of course I haven't done my entryway yet, but I just wanted to show you the beautiful wreath with the orange and golds and white, which matches the living room. Absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love how it turned out. As I come on down the stairs, I'm going to give you a closer look at it. And here it is. Again, it works so perfect with what's going on in the living room and here. A super way to dress up a dollar wreath from the thrift store. And again, this ribbon came from Dollar Tree. I did add them also to the boxes in the living room. And it is just really beautiful. I absolutely love it. But you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you think? And that's going to be it for this video. Once again, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you'll know when I upload new videos. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day. Happy holidays!